What if you could stop what you're doing right now and do something completely different? Go to bed slowly, sleep as long as you want, and wake up with no alarm to find out you've made over $950 in profit. That would be fantastic, right? Well, that's not the best part because this strategy is completely free on all countries around the world, and not everybody knows this. Before we begin, please turn on the alerts and hit the subscribe button so that I'll inform you anytime I have a new and exciting way to make money online. You can be the first one to use it and make more profit. I'm going to explain everything in step-by-step exactly how you can do this. If you remain until the conclusion of this video, you may utilize this brand new platform to make a lot of money online even when you're sleeping. If you stay up until the end of this video, I'll even offer you something. So you can do it without having to do any of the hard work yourself, since I did it for you and I'm going to give it to you for free. So I strongly advise you not to miss any steps, or you will most likely have no idea what to do with all of this. Just follow each and every step if you want to make this work. It will be very straightforward and very simple, so let's get started. Step 1 is to go to Combin.com. This is an Instagram marketing tool, a location, and a platform that will help you build your Instagram account organically. This is not a site where you can purchase phony followers or likes. Instead, this platform will help you expand your Instagram profile and audience naturally. As you can see, they feature Instagram audience management and attraction. Don't worry, you don't need an Instagram page for this. In fact, you don't even need an Instagram account to make money with this platform. And you will not be required to put any money on this tool. This is a very profitable technique that many large organizations such as Search Engine Journal and Forbes use. You know it's a huge one, and there's a lot of money to be earned with Combin.com. So step number 1 is to go to Combin.com and learn more about it. Step 2 is to go all the way down to the bottom of this page until you find this area that says Company. And under that section, choose Affiliate right here so that we can become partners for this platform. But don't worry, we're not going to utilize any social media sites to market this. And it has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Instead, I developed a traffic tool that you can use for free to create profit on semi-autopilot. I'll explain to you how to set it up in less than 5 minutes, post it on another platform that I'll share with you at the end of this video, and then you can go to sleep and enjoy it. Some recurring earnings is as easy as that, but you must first follow each and every step to correctly set this up, because if you make one small error, you will lose all of your money. So pay closely attention. You'll earn 50% of every sales revenue, and the commission structure is as follows. You will earn $30 per transaction if somebody purchases the personal plan, which is the least expensive. If you make 5 sales, you will definitely make $150. If you make 10 sales, you will obviously make $300. So the more sales you get, the more money you make. But if someone purchased a business plan, which is what I've seen a lot of people buy because Instagram business owners are trying to grow and are willing to invest money in this tool because they see massive returns on their investments. They're willing to buy the more expensive plan to grow their business. That way, you'll make more money. $90 each transaction for a total of $4,500 for 50 purchases. If you stay up until the end of this video, you'll discover how to get in front of vast numbers of people for free with something which I've done for you. So you don't have to write the text yourself, make any videos, or speak into the microphone. You can just plug it in, close the laptop, and go to sleep, hoping to earn some passive money. Another really impressive fact is that they will pay you via PayPal. I know a lot of you guys care about the people, and I know a lot of you are PayPal lovers, which is excellent since they will now pay you through PayPal after you visit this affiliate program website. Step number 3 is to go here and click the Apply Now button to apply for their affiliate program. You may do so by providing your email address here, and as well as your first and last name, and anything you like for your website. You do not need to own a website to do so. If you wish, you may just copy and paste the URL of your YouTube channel into this box, and then establish a unique password for your account. By clicking on this button, you agree to their affiliate conditions, which you can read here. You may read it, and if you agree, click the box that says, I agree with their affiliate terms. Then click sign up, and this notification will appear. Thank you for applying. We will review your application and get back to you as soon as possible. You will receive an email from them once they have approved your application, and you will be able to access your affiliate link once you have been authorized into their affiliate program, which can take up to an hour or two at times. You may sleep or do anything you like during that time while waiting to be authorized. And after you are approved, you can get your affiliate link. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link, they will be directed to this website where they can learn more about multifunctional analysis and where they can sign up, and you'll get 50% of whatever they spend on their page. So grab your affiliate link now. The fourth step is completed. Step 4 is to obtain your affiliate link once you've been approved. Here's the job I did for you. Here's the full article, the entire text that I wrote for you. I went out there, did some research, and wrote an entire article that you can use to earn money for free. And it's shown to work and produce results with the next platform, which I'm about to share with you, so you can see how this is similar to an article titled 5 Steps to Rapid Instagram Growth. This is a step-by-step approach to help individuals develop an Instagram. The first step is to plan out your content strategy. Then I'll go through branding and hashtags, and I'll go over Instagram hashtags in more detail. The next step is to employ some of the best growth fuel shortcuts to rapid growth. And here I'll focus on Combin.com, since you can see that less labor equals more growth. And you can just enter your affiliate link here where it is stated. Simply remove this and replace it with your own affiliate link so that people can see that they can check out my #1 suggested Instagram growth tool by clicking here. If they sign up, you earn money. The reason we do this is because if you give this guide away for free, they are much more likely to buy through your affiliate link than if you're pushing and promoting this tool directly. Just imagine if you went out there and pushed and promoted this tool directly, and if you told them, hey, buy this tool or whatsoever, it will probably look like a spam, and no one will actually pay attention to this since you're spamming with your affiliate link. But this way, if you're telling them like, hey guys, you can grab this guide absolutely for free, and it's a useful guide that's going to teach you how to grow your Instagram in 5 steps. You'll be able to attract a lot more individuals this way, and they'll be much more likely to invest in this tool through your affiliate link. You may also put your affiliate link here, spread it around to other locations, and ultimately at the end, so that if they miss it, you can get it for free. I'm not going to take your email or anything else, so just copy and paste it and insert your affiliate link. Before you start sharing this tutorial with others, I'm going to delete this and replace it with my own affiliate link. Now simply go to File, go to Download, and I'll save it as a Microsoft Word document. I have it on my computer, and I hope you're following along because we're about to get to the final step before you go to sleep. The final step before you can go to sleep and wait for your profits is to go to slideshare.net. Slideshare.net is a website where people share different articles on a variety of topics, and millions of people visit every day to read those articles. This is phenomenal because you, as a complete beginner, have the potential to reach a large number of people who are interested in a particular topic. If I use this program called SimilarWeb, it will show us how many people use this website on a monthly basis. And you can see that over 169 million people visit slideshare.net every month. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of users on this website for all over the globe. A lot of people use this website, and I just want to show you that if I search for Instagram, I can find out all of these different articles discussing on how you can grow on Instagram. So all you have to do is sign up for free by clicking the sign up button. And once you sign up and sign in to your brand new slideshare.net account, you'll be able to find all these different articles discussing on how you can grow on Instagram. Just click upload button and then upload files to select the files you want to upload. Then double click on this guide that we previously downloaded with your affiliate link in it. Now you can type in the title or leave it as it is. You now know how to grow an Instagram account quickly in 5 steps. They'll know it's an absolutely free guide if the description says something like, "This free guide will teach you how to grow on Instagram in 5 steps." They'll be more likely to read it now. You have an option of selecting a category. Leave this set to public, add a few facts about Instagram, Instagram growth, or how to grow on Instagram, or anything similar. Simply, you can reach out to certain individuals on this page and then press post. With this guide, you have the ability to reach literally millions of people, and many of them will be eager to check it out if they realize it's a completely free guide that teaches them step by step how to increase their Instagram following. According to Google, many company owners and entrepreneurs use slideshare.net to expand their enterprises, indicating that readers of such articles have large budgets and are ready to invest in such tools, making them more likely to purchase through your affiliate link. They'll be more eager to invest in this tool that will help them develop their business since they see a return on their investment. Therefore, they'll be more willing to acquire it and spend money on it. Then you will get your commissions. You will make 50% of anything they spend on this website, and it's super easy. It'll only take you a few minutes to set everything up. Simply join the Cumbins affiliate program. Take your affiliate link and follow the tutorial I prepared for you. You may make little modifications if you want to make it distinct. Of course, you can make some adjustments. You may add another extra steps or whatever you like after that. Then input your affiliate link and save it to your computer. Simple as easy. Go to slideshare.net and share it with others. Now you can go to sleep and wait for your first sale. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel with alerts turned on so you don't miss out on any of our new contents. Thank you all for your undivided attention, and I'll see you again soon.